Neil's Alphabet Adventure.
Come on, Neil. We'll go for an adventure.
Can we go? Here we go. A for aeroplane. Neil flies an aeroplane. B for ball. Neil plays with a ball.
Oh my god, so colorful ball.
Next is C. C for cake. Neil cuts the cake and Neil likes the cake also. Again, here it is D. D for dog. Neil walks the dog. Voila! Then E. E for elephant, not hathi. Neil sees an elephant. F for flower. Neil smells a flower. Do you like the flower, baby? G for guitar. Oh my god, my baby looks beautiful. Okay, Neil plays the guitar. Enjoying the guitar. Coming to H, Neil wears a hat. H for hat. Then coming to I. I for ice cream. Neil loves ice cream. Don't want to share with anyone. Coming to J. Oh my god, special. J for juice. Neil likes juice too. So much like Neil likes juice so much. Then K. K for kite. Neil flies a kite and loves to play with kite. Now we will go for L. Neil loves leaf also. Neil holds a leaf. Then we will go for M. M for moon. Neil looks at the moon.
But यहाँ पे तो नीचे देख रहा है.
नीचे देख रहा है. N. N for nest. Neil builds a nest.
Pigeon bha.
For pigeon bha. O. O for Neil's favorite orange. Neil plucks an orange and see the yum yum face. P for penguin. Neil meets a penguin and he is so happy.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack quack quack. Q for quilt. Neil is under the quilt. Ooh, quilt camp, quilt camp.
Not a bedsheet.
Yeah. Coming to R. R for rainbow. Neil sees a rainbow and he likes the rainbow. S for sand. Neil plays with sand and he enjoys playing with sand, isn't it? Then comes T. T for turtle. Turtle. Neil sees a turtle. Then coming to U. U for unicorn. Neil rides a unicorn. See how he's happy? Oh my god. V for vase. Neil decorates the vase. Be careful. We have to
Don't
careful
do it.
for the vase. It should break. It will break if you're not careful. W for whale. Neil sees a whale but scary because he saw this for the first time. X for xylophone. Neil loves to play with xylophone. Isn't it, Neil? Y for yo-yo. Neil rolls the yo-yo. Neil like to play all games, including yo-yo. Then Z for zebra. Neil is in a zoo. Then Neil see a zebra. Wow. Now the brave Neil, you are the alphabet star. Congratulations. You know all alphabets from A